Welcome back to on USD analysis, weekly analysis, guys. Last week we were buying this and we hit both of our targets. As you guys can see, we got rejected after just hitting our second target. So, guys, the question remains: what is going to happen this week? And the answer is very easy, guys. For this week, the 4-hour support and the daily support align together, and that makes the answer quite easy. For this week, guys, as long as we are above 1.33441, guys, we will be seeing 1.34708, and after that, guys, we may end up seeing 1.35784. Okay, guys. Because I think the market is going to one side. Especially take care, guys. We have the holiday season upcoming, and in the holiday season, guys, we get one. Sometimes we get choppiness. Sometimes we get too much one-sided irrational moves. So there's that. And guys, I would only start actually selling this once we break below 1.32951. And once we break below this, guys, my target would be 1.312. My target would be, guys, 1.31217. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.